Welcome to a journey of self-discovery and well-being through the practice of yoga. This ancient discipline, with its origins in India over 5,000 years ago, has transcended time and cultures, evolving into a globally embraced path to wellness. Yoga is more than just a series of poses, it's a tool for nurturing your mind, body, and spirit. Regular practice can yield profound benefits, from alleviating stress to enhancing flexibility and bolstering strength. It's about cultivating a harmonious balance between the physical and the mental, allowing you to connect with your inner self. Each pose, each breath, each moment on the mat is an opportunity to delve deeper into this union, challenging your body while calming your mind. So, whether you're a seasoned yogi or just starting out, remember that every journey begins with a single step. Embark on this journey not just to transform your body, but to uncover a more serene and balanced state of mind. But before we do, please take a couple seconds to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out on new videos. Now back to today's video. Our first pose, the three-legged dog pose, is a fantastic way to build core and arm strength. This pose, also known as Ekapada Adho Mukha Svanasana in Sanskrit, is a variation of the classic downward-facing dog pose. Let's begin. Start in downward-facing dog, with your hands firmly planted on the mat and your body forming a triangle with the floor. Now, lift one leg towards the ceiling, pointing your toes and keeping your leg straight. Don't worry if your leg doesn't go very high at first. Remember, this is a journey of growth and improvement. Next, engage your core and keep your gaze focused between your hands. It's essential to keep your spine neutral and your body balanced. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale and exhale deeply, allowing the breath to guide you through the pose. The three-legged dog pose is more than just a strength-building exercise. It also tones the muscles, improves balance, and increases flexibility. With regular practice, you'll notice your arms becoming stronger and your core becoming more stable, which can improve your performance in other yoga poses and physical activities. And it's not just us saying this. Many yoga practitioners have shared their experiences with the three-legged dog pose. For instance, Julia, a dedicated yogi for over 10 years, credits this pose for her improved arm strength and balance. She shares that initially, she could barely lift her leg, but with consistent practice, she now performs the pose with ease and grace. Then there's Maria, who began his yoga journey as a means to increase flexibility. She found the three-legged dog pose challenging at first, but she didn't give up. Today, she can not only perform the pose, but has also noticed a significant increase in her overall flexibility. These stories serve as a reminder that yoga is a journey of self-discovery and improvement. It's not about how high you can lift your leg or how perfect your pose is. What matters is the dedication and effort you put into your practice. So, keep practicing, keep improving, and embrace the journey. Remember, it's not about perfection, but the journey of growth and improvement. Next, we explore the Warrior 3 pose, a challenging but rewarding posture. This pose, also known as Virabhadrasana III, is a potent blend of strength, balance, and focus. To perform it, you begin in a standing position. Extend one leg behind you, reaching forward with your arms, and balance on the other foot. Your body should form a straight line from your fingertips to your extended heel. Maintain this posture while taking deep, steady breaths. The Warrior 3 pose invites us to engage our entire body, making it a powerful tool for full-body muscle building. As you hold this pose, you'll feel your legs, core, and back muscles working together, building strength and endurance. It's like a symphony of muscles, each playing its part to create a harmonious whole. But the benefits of the Warrior 3 pose extend beyond muscle building. This pose also sharpens your balance, a crucial component of our physical health that we often overlook. As you balance on one foot, your body has to constantly adjust to maintain stability, improving your proprioception or body awareness in the process. Now let's hear from some individuals who have found the Warrior 3 pose beneficial for their physical and mental well-being. One practitioner shared, "The Warrior 3 pose always challenges me, but I love how strong and centered I feel afterward." Another echoed, "There's something empowering about balancing in this pose. It's as if I'm flying and grounded at the same time." Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a beginner, the Warrior 3 pose can be tailored to your level. You can use a wall for support, or try variations like the revolved Warrior 3 or the Warrior 3 with arm binds. Remember, yoga is not about achieving the perfect pose, but about listening to your body and honoring its capabilities. As you master the Warrior 3 pose, you'll notice a surge in your strength, balance, and overall body awareness. This pose is a testament to the beauty of yoga, how it can challenge us, transform us, and empower us. So the next time you step on your mat, embrace the warrior within you. Now let's dive into the boat pose, a wonderful posture for core strengthening and digestion improvement. The boat pose, also known as Navasana, is a fantastic addition to your yoga practice. This pose, while simple in appearance, is a powerhouse for your core muscles. It asks for balance, strength, and a dash of bravery. So how do we get into the boat pose? Begin by sitting on your mat with your legs in front of you. Bend your knees, keep your feet flat on the floor, lean back slightly and lift your legs off the floor. Balance on your sit bones, not your tailbone. Extend your arms in front of you, parallel to the floor. If you feel stable, straighten your legs. Remember, it's not about how high you can lift your legs, but how strong and steady you can keep your core. The boat pose is a superb exercise for strengthening your core muscles. It engages your abs, hip flexors, and lower back. A strong core is not only vital for your yoga practice, but also for your day-to-day activities. It helps improve your posture, prevents back pain, and even enhances your athletic performance. Moreover, this pose is wonderful for improving digestion. It stimulates the intestines and the kidneys, promoting better digestion and elimination. But the benefits don't stop there. The boat pose is also a great stress buster. It demands focus and concentration, helping to clear your mind and relieve stress. Let's hear from one of our practitioners, Mia. She shares, "I struggled with digestive issues for years. Incorporating the boat pose into my daily yoga practice has really made a difference. I feel less bloated, more energetic, and overall just healthier." And there's Lisa, who says, "I've always had a weak core. The boat pose was tough for me at first, but with consistent practice I've noticed a significant improvement in my core strength, plus it's helped me in my other workouts too." Remember, the boat pose is not about perfection, it's about progress. It's about showing up for yourself, pushing your limits, and celebrating your growth. The boat pose might challenge you, but it's all about embracing the journey and celebrating the progress you make every day. As we wrap up our journey today, let's revisit the key poses we've explored. Our first stop was the three-legged dog pose, a variation of the classic downward-facing dog. This pose is a beautiful blend of balance and strength, demanding focus from both your mind and body. As we've seen, it's more than just a physical challenge, it's an opportunity to build core and arm strength, improving your overall physical fitness. But remember, it's not just about the muscle. This pose also offers a moment of tranquility, a chance to breathe and find balance in the midst of life's chaos. Next, we ventured into the Warrior 3 pose. This powerful pose is a graceful display of strength and flexibility, calling on every muscle in your body. It's like a full-body workout wrapped in a single pose. From your legs to your core, from your arms to your back, Warrior 3 helps build muscle and improve stability. But it's more than just a physical challenge, it's a mental one too, teaching us resilience, patience, and determination. It's a reminder that even when life feels like a balancing act, we have the strength to stand tall. Our final stop was the boat pose, a pose that embodies the essence of yoga, balance and strength. Not only does it strengthen your core, but it also improves digestion, making it a holistic approach to health and wellness. This pose is challenging, yes, but it's also rewarding. It's a reminder that we are capable of more than we think. It's an invitation to step out of our comfort zone, to push our limits, and to embrace the journey of personal growth. Each of these poses, the three-legged dog, the Warrior 3, and the boat pose, offer unique benefits, enhancing not just our strength and flexibility, but our overall well-being. They remind us that yoga is more than just a physical practice. It's a mental and spiritual journey, a pathway to a healthier, stronger, and more balanced self. So, I encourage you to incorporate these poses into your regular yoga practice. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being persistent. It's about showing up for yourself every single day, on and off the mat. Remember, yoga is not just about the poses, but about the journey towards a healthier, stronger, and more balanced you. Keep practicing, keep growing, and most importantly, keep breathing. So here's to your journey, here's to your strength, here's to your flexibility, and here's to your well-being. If you like this video and would like to see others like it, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to make sure you never miss out on a new video. Keep stretching, keep challenging yourself, and keep embracing the beautiful journey that is yoga.